school and being able to work with horses. You don't get that very often, and being able to work with them every single day, the amount that we do, is pretty unique.
You get this unbroke colt that basically doesn't know anything, so you have to teach it from leading, lunging, saddling the whole way to riding it.
My favorite thing is definitely being able to work with an unbroke colt and being able to see what you can do in the end.
I think it would have to be working with the colts and spending a lot more time at the barn and getting to show my very first colt that I've ever broken out, and it was just a lot of fun.
Having a lot of one-on-one time with each instructor, you learn a lot. I think you learn the most your sophomore year here.
The instructors give you the option to go to Congress and work for them in the back barn and do a lot of things in the industry that I wasn't expecting that I would get.
Have the opportunities to work for some of the instructors, ride some of their horses, clean for them.
My favorite thing about the barn is being able to connect with people who have the same interests and being able to share a responsibility.
Everybody here is just so friendly.
They're a lot of fun. It's like a big family.
I think it's really fulfilling, and I think that's what the program is all about too.